Hey, welcome back. Today I'm showing you a glamorous makeup style, so if you're interested to see how I would do a cat eyeliner, like a really glamorous one, stay tuned. So first of all, I clip my hair back so there are no strands of hair falling to my face, because that's annoying. I've been going foundationless for a couple of years now, so I only cover up my irritations and the dark areas under my eyes. As you can see, my skin is clearly not good. That's on quarantine and how it messed up my sleep schedule. Sometimes I sleep at 4 AM and wake up at 12 at noon, which is totally bad for your health, so don't do it, and it fucks up everything. We don't care about that, so we just move on to the eyeshadow. I really like reddish, orangish and brownish colors. I also like the eyeshadows with a little bit of glitter in it because that gives the sparkle of the look. By the way, I bought this palette from Issa, which is a cheap store located in China. You can buy everything there, like everything. I was also quite surprised how good this palette was. I'm using two eyeshadow palettes for this look. The other one is from Urban Decay, it's called Troublemaker, and I just love the matte colors in it. You can see that I'm using a normal eyeshadow brush that you can find in any drugstores. The main thing is that they can blend your eyeshadows very well, and they do if you don't see any stiff or loose brush hairs anywhere. I love black liquid eyeliners because they give a sharp and also smooth line on the eye. I just start drawing my line above my crease, and the higher you draw the line, the thicker and more dramatic your cat eye will be. I'm connecting the inner and the outer corner of my eye with the eyeliner. If you want to add the inner corner and eyeliner, you just have to fold the shape of your inner tear duct and extend the eyeliner line forward, filling any tiny gaps. The look didn't sit with me well, so I just put on some glitter. And I just put some more on. After putting some more on, I just moved on to filling my eyebrows. I'm starting off with lining out my eyebrows and then filling in with the black color. If you want your eyebrows to look natural, you have to brush them until the color blends in. To outline your eyebrows and to emphasize them for a more glamorous look, you could just use a cotton swab to take a little bit of the concealer and apply them around your eyebrows. You could also use the tip of your fingers to blend the color in. I always forget to use this because I have very Asian flat eyelashes, so I don't see a difference from before and after, but I guess you could do this. So if you wish for a very nice look, you gotta curl your eyelashes first and then apply mascara later on. We're gonna grab the NYX Highlight and Contour palette and start contouring our cheeks and nose. I like to use the Hydrating Liquid Blush by Miniso. It's very light, so you can make out a big difference, but this will change afterwards. I also chose a very light highlighter to emphasize my cheekbones and also nose bridge. After applying them in little dots, I blended them in with my fingers. We are almost done! So what's left is the lipstick. Apply a lip balm first and then apply the lipstick. I usually start with the bottom lip and then move on to the upper lip and then blot my lips. I also like to use the leftovers of the lipstick on my fingers as a blush and blend the color evenly into my skin. That's the final look, I guess. What's left is probably some pair of earrings, so we're gonna throw them on. It's actually my second time to draw the inner corner eyeliner. I think it's not perfect, but it's presentable at least. Also, here's the look with my bangs. I just cut last week, and that's the last video on my channel, so if you're interested, check it out. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this and give thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.